I'll never forget this day.
Hello YouTubers. Today we are going to see how to clean a laptop within 3 minutes. This laptop cleaning kit may be from any brand you prefer. The kit I am having is called Techies LCD Cleaning Kit. When we unbox it, we get a brush, a solution spray and a microfiber cloth. First open your laptop, use the brush to dust the entire laptop. Use it between every key of the keyboard. Then spray the solution on the places of the laptop with finger smudges. This solution is nothing but mild alcohol and water combination only. Wipe it in a circular manner gently. Now the dust is gone. In the beginning, your laptop might look new and you think you are good to go. But without regular cleaning, your laptop might get more fingerprints and dirt from your hands. So do this cleaning in a regular interval of 1 to 2 weeks. It will make your laptop look brand new. Hope you have enjoyed it. For more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.